Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a daily dash, as usual, and today I have a very interesting article. So, there was another kidnapping, so when I actually went back to research the last kidnapping that I made a video on, I found out there's actually multiple, and they're actually people's kids getting kidnapped during dashes. So obviously, today's video needs to start off with, guys, don't leave your kid in your car with the car running while you're dashing. Like, as bad as it sounds, like that's my first thought is like, why would you do that? For one, and two, like, obviously I'm super glad that the kids were returned safely and both of them made it, but let's just read this article before we actually get started. We're actually about to head to the gym, but drinking one of these Blue Rebel energy drinks. Anyways. What's up, dude?
Hey, I was just wondering if you're Tanner Markley, bro. I'm a really big fan. Because I see the car all the time. Like, this has got to be the Explorer, and it was him. It's really Tanner, that YouTube.
Alright. As I was saying, a 1-year-old Georgia girl was kidnapped in a carjacking when her mom got out of the vehicle to deliver a Doordash order in what the authorities now believe was a setup to take off with the vehicle. So now this is really weird because a fake Doordash order is what they're suspecting. How do you come up with a fake Doordash order? And if this is possible, geez, you gotta be really fucking smart on how to do that. So, Royalty Grisby was in the backseat at about 2 a.m. Oh, 2 a.m. Thursday, that's really late to be doing DoorDash with your daughter. Thursday, as her mother, who was working as a DoorDash driver, dropped off of food at a home in Stone Mountain. It says Stone Mountain's usually a pretty nice area. And left the vehicle running. Not the most responsible thing to do at 2 a.m. But it's not my life, so I don't want to make any bad comments on that, but I wouldn't do that. I would not be doing that. I get you got to make money, but don't leave your car running and at least lock the car. I don't know. People like, I have to say that I am guilty of leaving my car running maybe like a couple times, only if like the door was right there, but I know how easily someone could just jump in my car and drive away with it. And she had her keys in her pocket because she has a keyless entry. I have the same exact thing, so it's pretty easy to just jump out, but at the same time, just press the damn button, turn it on and off. I had my keys in the pocket, and the only reason I didn't lock the car door was because it was a residential, nice neighborhood. Her mom said of the car, her mom said of the car which has a keyless entry. I didn't think anything like that would happen. So you guys always gotta expect the unexpected, to say the least. But a bizarre twist, the DeKalb County Police said the DoorDash order actually appears to be fake, and it was likely a setup to steal the car. I just am confused on how you make a fake DoorDash order. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. The story ultimately had a happy ending when the toddler was found safe hours later and the suspect was arrested. Anyways, thank you to the share, blah, 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 blah. Thanks for getting my kid back, blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, let's see. No further details were provided about the arrest, and it was unclear how the girl... See, I want to hear what DoorDash said about this, because, like, how do you get a fake order? It's not COVID, I swear. Police had originally said they believed 2 thieves were involved in the car theft, but no details were provided about the second suspect. DoorDash said in a statement Thursday that they are working with authorities to help track down Royalty. We are devastated by this absolutely heinous act and actively working with the FBI and local law enforcement to help bring this kid or this child home safely in the perpetrator to justice. We're in contact with Ms. Grisby to offer our support, and we know this is terrifying for her and her family. We're genuine to call 911, blah, 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 blah. I'm just confused as to how they could make a fake Doordash order to kidnap something. Like, that just seems a little far-fetched to me. I don't understand how you could make a fake Doordash order. Do you guys? If you do, let me know in the comments down below. But how would they would have to, like, hack into the system and, like, what? A fake Doordash order? Unless, like, they ordered Doordash and their whole plan was to do that? I don't know. Like, I'm confused. How could you make a fake Doordash order and, like, I don't know, have it delivered somewhere to get... I don't know. That just doesn't all add up. And, man, why would you want to steal a car with a 1-year-old? I feel like they were just stealing the car and the 1-year-old happened to be in there. I don't think that they purposely were trying to steal the 1-year-old. But I don't know. People out there do some crazy shit like that. And, yeah, people are shitty. People are shitty. Anyways, we're driving to the gym. We still haven't gotten any offers or anything. It's actually been extremely slow today. I tried to do a daily dash earlier today. Didn't get a single order or anything. I've just been getting really crappy $3.50 orders for like 8 miles and stuff. Not cool. Anyways, this was just crazy. And then there's another article that this guy, let's see, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. This guy in San Francisco also left his car running, and his 2 kids, he had a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old, were in the back of the car, and the car was stolen with them, and they actually got the car back like later that day. But guys, do you deliver with your kids in your car? Are you allowed to? I feel like you probably shouldn't be allowed to, but I don't know. Like, you're kind of going to work, you know. But at the same time, I don't know. If I had kids, maybe I would too. I don't know. I don't know. I probably would not. I don't know. I would hope I'm not door dashing when I have kids, though. I would hope that I have a woman who can stay at home with the kids or something. I don't know. Do you guys let me know in the comments down below, like DoorDash Dad and any of the other people that have kids. Do you guys DoorDash with your kids in the car? UDM, do you? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, so still haven't gotten any orders, but we are going to go to the gym. It's my first day going to the gym since I got this tattoo 3 days ago, and it is starting to peel. Let me know what you guys think. I got an eagle on my arm. It's only halfway done or so, but it actually kind of looks a lot more done than I thought it would. This is it's almost 4 hours of tattooing on my arm, and then we got a bunch of other stuff done to the lion. But anyways, so what do you guys keep in your car? Let me know down below. Also, like, what do you keep in your car to protect yourself? I have a pepper spray, which is buried and obviously isn't gonna work very well if it's buried. I can't even find it, but I had to bury it because it's so ridiculously hot. I'm worried that it'll just pop in my car or something. I don't even know if it's in this area, actually. I haven't seen it in a while. Maybe I don't have it anymore. What? Where's my pepper spray? Obviously, guys, keep your pepper sprays handy, because right now I'm doing a horrible job at showing you how ready and prepared I am. Obviously, not very. Shit, I don't even know if I have it in my car anymore. You know, I think I took it out actually recently because it said something, if the temperatures get too hot, it could blow, and I think I took it out of my car because obviously it's too hot in Las Vegas. It's 110 degrees right now, and the sun is going down. It was 120 degrees earlier. What is this? What? Like, am I living in a freaking toaster oven? Come on, Las Vegas. You need to cool down, settle down. The shit's getting a little too hot here. Anyways, I don't know. It's getting really hot here in Las Vegas. I feel like every time I step outside, I can just feel my tattoo like burning, and it's even if it's not in the sun, you know. Just burped up fish oil. Anyways, okay. Well, I will let you guys know when we get a dash. I'm almost to the gym, so I guess we're just going to work out first and then wait for a dash while we're there. I am going to struggle losing the last few pounds. I am down to 168 pounds. I keep forgetting to film it, but that means I need about 3 more pounds to lose. So far, we've lost 7 this week, but it's going to be really hard to lose weight when I can't really work out because of my arm. I can do like my legs and stuff, but I can't really like sit in the sauna and all that good stuff. Anyways, be right back. We'll get an order probably after the gym. We finally got an offer from Slaters 50/50 Grill, which is I'm not sure why it's called 50/50 Grill, but almost everything they make has bacon in it. I think it's because everything's like 50% bacon, which is obviously the greatest business idea ever, is just put bacon on everything. Like, they have bacon milkshakes and all kinds of stuff. It's so damn good. But unfortunately, I'm not doing an $11.25 order for 13.5 miles that goes the complete opposite direction out of my dashing zone. Wouldn't be a good idea, actually. Oh, we got another one. Oh, and we're gonna do it. A $5 order from Panda Express. We're gonna do it because it's literally across the street and it delivers. I just pulled into the gym parking lot, but I can wait. I can wait. I'll make $5 real quick. Get this video over with. Anyways, so yeah, it seems like all I've been getting lately is $5 orders, which is super annoying, but have not been making very much money on Doordash as of lately. But what I need to do is not spend any more money. I just sold all of my UFC stock the other day, by the way, and that was the last stock that I was holding on to. A lot of people were calling me a corporate shill and saying that I bought Doordash stock after talking to Bentley, and I'm like, dude, you are crazy if you think that I'm buying Doordash stock. Hell no. Like, why would I talk bad about a company that I own stock in? Why would I do that, you know? Anyways, but UFC stock went up to $26.50, and I was like, you know what? I bought $1,000 worth of stock at $24. I'll just take the tiny win. You know, I was kind of hoping to sell it at like $30 again because it was at $30 for a while. But I expected after the Conor McGregor fight that it would go up quite a bit, you know, and it didn't. It went down, which is probably because Conor McGregor freaking snapped his leg, which it's crazy how something like that can drop the stock, you know. But I thought, I was like, yeah, they're gonna make so much money from this fight, like the stock's gonna go through the roof. Nope, I was wrong. This is why I don't really like investing into things like that. I don't know. I sold at $26.50, so I don't know, made a little bit of money. It was like less than $100. I think it was like $60 or something I made. I don't know. Anyways, but I try to, like Pedro says, bet on yourself. I always try to just bet on myself and like invest into my own businesses and stuff. And that is why I sold the stock, because I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna put this money into the shoe company, and I can for sure double my money at least, if not like quadruple it sometimes. But anyways, okay, be right back. Pulling up to Panda. There's a line out the door to Panda. Weird. Anyways, okay, let's see how much more time. Pick up at 6:28. It is 6:26. Order might be ready. Be right back. All right, that took, it's 6:40 now. Took freaking 15 minutes almost to freaking make the food. There's only one plate, but I guess I should have saw this coming because the line was literally out of the door. So, well, not how I wanted a Doordash to go, and of course it is delivering to an apartment to make it even worse. This is what happens when you do $5 orders. Damn it, super annoying. Anyways, okay, so wait, let's see if this freaking pepper spray is in here anywhere. I don't know if it's in here or not, but now that I'm not driving, I can figure it out. You know, I must have taken it out. That would be the only explanation. Alright, I am not... Whoa! Jesus! Yep, obviously. But we do have Doordash hand sanitizer, just in case. Freaking squirt it in their eyes and get it everywhere. All right, so at least we are protected from COVID 2021 or whatever you would call this one, the Delta variant. I don't know about this whole Delta thing. Seems a little, I just saw this meme, I just reposted on Facebook. The CDC actually now requires you to wear a seatbelt even when you're out of the car. I thought that was so hilarious, because it's just like, what are they gonna tell us to do next now? Like, we just gonna have a new variant every single year and all of a sudden just we're never gonna get to live our lives normal again? I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, be right back when we drop off this freaking order to the apartment that is taking way too damn long. It's a good thing I wasn't drinking pre-workout, because I'd be jittery AF right now had I been drinking pre-workout. Just drinking this Rebel from Dutch Bros. My roommate works at Dutch Bros, and she always brings me, she's so nice. She's actually my ex-fiance's old best friend. Still lives with me. She's so nice though. She always brings me these Rebel energy drinks from Dutch Bros. Anyways, alright. Be right back when we drop off this order. Shout out Battlin for bringing me another Rebel. Because we rebels. Alright, Jesus, that was a freaking horrible order. That could not have gone much worse. So I pulled into the wrong apartment complex. Shout out Doordash freaking GPS, sending me to the wrong one. And so I was driving around this other person's apartment complex and the numbers weren't adding up. So I called this guy and he's like, yeah, it looks like you're across the street. I'm like, I'm literally where the GPS told me to go. He's like, yeah, DoorDash's GPS always does that. It takes people across the street. And it's like, come on, like, what the hell? Anyway, so that took forever, and I couldn't just go around and go to his. I had to like go right, go all the way back around, and then back around because it's a freaking super busy street. You couldn't just like turn left and go back into the other apartment complex. Anyways, I'm thoroughly annoyed, so I'm gonna go work out. Thank you guys for watching another Daily Dash. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you guys consider subscribing to the channel, because we got more cool content. We got lots and tips and tricks for you guys. The whole point of my channel is to hopefully help you guys out, make you guys a little bit more money as a delivery driver, hopefully help you out with any kind of fitness, business related tips I can possibly give you. So give you guys as much free information as I possibly can. If you guys enjoy the video, make sure you guys smash that like button for me. I hope you know that you guys like this kind of content. We will see you guys in the next one. If you haven't yet, make sure you go to offaccessathletics.com. Use my discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off. The sun is about to set and it's very bright. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.